President Drupadi Murmu shared her journey from Rairangpur to Rashtrapati Bhavan in an exclusive interaction with Union Minister of Women and Child Development Smriti Irani in the concluding episode of Naya Soch Naya Kahani, a radio jockey with Smriti Irani on Akashwani. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on a 2-day visit to the United Arab Emirates beginning today. Rashtriya Lok Dal has announced joining the ruling NDA alliance, snapping its ties with the opposition alliance. Tamil Nadu Minister V. Senthil Balaji has resigned from the state cabinet 7 months after he was arrested and imprisoned by the Enforcement Directorate in a money laundering and job scam case. Government e-marketplace has recorded gross merchandise value worth 3 lakh crore rupees in the current fiscal year so far.